Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to reset your Skout account password. Sometimes you may forget your password. If you have forgot password, don't worry, it can be reset. To reset your Skout account password, first click on browser. Go to skout.com, skout.com. Enter your email or Skout ID. Enter your password. After typing your email and password, click on login button. If you have forgot your password, click on forget it. Enter your email. Click on send reminder. Password reminder has been sent to your email. Check your email for the password reminder. Click on the email. Click on reset password. Enter your new password. Your new password should be combinations of upper and lower cases, numbers, and special characters. Retype your new password. Click on set my password. Now your password has been successfully reset. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.